United States, meanwhile, has backed India's new farm laws, added a message of huge significance. At a time when you're seeing this huge debate over these reforms, the Biden administration said that it welcomes steps that would improve the efficiency of Indian markets and attract greater private sector investment. It further added that the differences between the parties be resolved through dialogue. The Biden administration said that U.S. recognizes the peaceful protest, referring to the farmers' agitation as a hallmark of any thriving democracy, and noted that the Supreme Court has also in fact stated the same. In fact, also reacting on the internet ban at some Delhi protest sites, a US State Department spokesperson said that unhindered access to information is a fundamental hallmark of a thriving democracy.
For India, India now really has to handle how other governments are viewing and looking at the handling of the farmers' protest. There is criticism that is coming from various quarters. There's monitoring of the situation that we're seeing by various politicians abroad, be it congressmen, Republicans, Democrats, or for that matter, members of parliament in various other countries, including Canada and the United Kingdom. Having said that, the US State Department very specifically says a few things. One, that they urge India to have a dialogue with the various differing parties. That internet shutdown is not the norm in a thriving democracy. But also on farm laws, very interestingly, the U.S. State Department spokesperson told India today that in general, United States welcomes steps that would improve the efficiency of India's markets and attract greater private sector investment. So no commentary really on the farm laws, but just saying that whatever needs to be done, whatever the Indian government thinks best for herself and for India, they really need to ensure that it is done in a manner that all parties are on board, and that this entire warring of factions should really come to an end through peaceful dialogue between differing parties. So they are encouraging dialogue, they're asking for internet access and information, but also welcoming steps by the Indian government on agricultural reforms.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.